Adobe InDesign is really powerful when it comes to working with images. Now I'm going to place in an image onto my document, make sure it starts on the first guideline, hold down the mouse, drag it to the second guideline, which I dragged on earlier, and I've got a particular width and height. Just move that down slightly by just holding the mouse down. Now I might want to make this a little bit deeper, so if I drag from the bottom middle, make the frame a bit deeper. All that's done is make the frame deeper, but the image, or as we refer to it as the content, remains the same. So if I want to address or target the content, which is the image, so that it's going to be larger, because I want to focus on these two buildings over here and make them more centered and larger, I can do it to just the content. So if I click once on the circle, hold down the keyboard modifier keys, which is Command Shift on a Mac or Control Shift on Windows, then you can see that I can scale the image, okay, but leave the container frame as it was. So I want to just move that across now. So I've come off the keys, put my cursor in the circle, drag, position it differently. Maybe I want to do a little bit more. Hold down Command Shift on Mac or Control Shift on Windows, make it even larger, scale it out larger, come off the keys, find that middle circle again, drag it, so hold down on your mouse and drag it, and now we've got what is the perfectly scaled and repositioned image, or as we call it, the content inside the container frame. So you can basically target each of these independently of one another.